పాట విన్నారా నిధి? You understand Telugu, right?
నాకు చాలా బాగా వస్తుంది అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ సాంగ్ లైక్ the composition, the voice. I'm actually very happy I'm launching this song because నాకు ఇలాగా songs చాలా ఇష్టం and I keep listening to them very soft, like the voice is beautiful. You know, Satya Yamini,
Thank you
she's
so much. Thank you.
yeah, no, I was saying that I wish, you compose Arjun Reddy type, this type of background score for me also sometime in my life.
Sure.
But very good. The two newcomers, of course, they look so good, look so adorable and so likable that I'm 100% sure the song Chala Ba పెద్ద hit ఉంటుంది.
Nidhi, I was asking you, what is it like, you heard the song, is there something you want to tell either the, Satya Yamini or Radhan about what you thought of? You already said a little bit, but do you want to elaborate?
Absolutely. First of all, I'll start with Radhan. So, I mean, he is such a talented composer. And this tune, so it's like, it sounds like love, that initial stage when someone is falling in love, right? So, it sounds like that. It's a very, very beautiful track. And the voice is like
Yes.
cherry on the cake. Like, it's so perfect. Just suits the song completely. And it suits even the heroine Shiv Shakti's face, So I think
Yeah.
it's a combination. Like you said, innocence, it sounds extremely innocent. She looks, it's
Correct.
beautiful. It's a beautiful song. Well, there are a lot of songs. I think there was one film, Mr. Majnu, that I did. It had some really good songs. So I think there was that song that Shreya Ghoshal sang, and it's a very slow, sad song, but I really like that. And talking about more energetic numbers, I think Dimag Kharab is something that people don't want to let go when they think of. So maybe that also. But personally, I'm a fan of romantic numbers, and I also sing in the shower. Not otherwise, I won't sound good.
Can
But
you just name one song, Nidhi? Any
from where, sir?
any from anywhere, or Hindi or
Do you
Telugu
want her
or
to name it or do you want her to sing it?
no, that's up to you. But I just wanted to know which is your favorite number. I mean, which is something you always listen. You always wanted to listen.
So in Telugu, there is this one song called Undi Porare.
Wow, that is again from Radhan.
Yes, I think
superb composition. Yes,
it's amazing.
Thank
It's so
you.
I love this.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank
yes.
yes. Oh, amazing, amazing
you.
song. Wow, genuinely like.
Oh, you didn't know that.
But it's so we have all the talent right here. So yeah, Telugu definitely is a song that I really like. Absolutely. I mean, it's I think right now it's the most practical move because you don't want to keep the producers waiting. You don't want to create a loss in any way, and I think people will be very happy to on any platform. So I think it's nice to reach people now. I honestly feel like maybe more people will watch it because everyone is relatively more free. So I think the audience will be more. But yes, of course, seeing yourself on that big screen and that experience will be missed. But I think right now it's the best option.
Yeah, that's correct.
Really?
So love is in all its forms. So which is your favorite kind of love?
Unconditional love.
So what is the one thing that you love the most?
My work. I love it more now that I'm not getting to do it. Yeah.
So if you had to choose between a life with movies and without movies, what would be the only thing in the life without movies that would entice you?
Nothing. I mean, I have wanted to be an actor since I was maybe 2 years old or 3 years old.
Wow.
So, only thing that has ever just entertained me, and I'm kind of obsessed with movies, so nothing can replace that. Nothing. But music is something that comes very close. Music is healing, so it's amazing. Yeah.
So this movie, like I mentioned, chala different kind of love ni explore chestundi, like a couple kind of a love, ఒక ఫాదర్ తో లవ్, ఒక గ్రాండ్ మదర్ తో లవ్. సో దాట్ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతాను. నిధి, your grandparents, like do you have a grandparent you're like really close to and you absolutely feel that connection with? Like I have a favorite grandmother. I don't know if it's right to have it, but do you have anybody like that?
Yeah, actually, my grandparents live in Hyderabad. My mother's parents, they live in Hyderabad. And I have come to Hyderabad every summer holidays. I was born in Hyderabad because my mother is from there. So they live there and I'm always ready to meet them. Whenever I'm shooting, I go home and stay like for a day or two, you know, because when you're at home, your diet, exercise, everything goes for a toss. So definitely my grandparents in Hyderabad. Yeah.
Okay, last question. I actually wanted to ask you about your favorite song and stuff, but at this point, but it happened. And so so you mentioned that, you know, without realizing you were listening to a song which has been composed by, so it's a crazy coincidence. So tell me what you like about Undipurade, other than the fact that it's really beautiful, but what is it that you love about the song?
I think the song sounds like the rhyming words, and it's just like, you know, you can dance to it, you can do some contemporary dance to it, and it's just like breeze. It's a very breezy, you know, you feel happy after listening to it, you don't feel heavy.
Yeah.
But I also love
Hi, this is RGV. For more videos, subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please subscribe IG Telugu channel.
Hi guys, it's Sudhir here. For more interesting updates about the films, do subscribe to IG Telugu.